Order Rhynchophthirina. It consists of genus Hematomyzus with 2 species which have aberrant forms. Their heads are prolonged anteriorly and having their mandibles at the apex of their rostrum. So as you can see in the picture, they have prolonged rostrum with its biting parts at the tip or end part. The 2 species of Hematomyzus under Rhynchophthirina are Hematomyzus elephantis and Hematomyzus hopkinsi. First, we have Hematomyzus elephantis, or commonly known as elephant louse. They are transmitted from one elephant to another when 2 elephants come in contact. It can be found on elephant skin and hair, and the eggs or nits, just like in other lice, they are attached to the hair or embedded in the skin of the host by their parents. They have strong biting mandibles at the top of their rostrum, so it allows them to bite on the tough skin of the elephants and eat off the hairs and miscellaneous debris on the skin. Next is the Hematomyzus hopkinsi. It is also known as the warthog louse. So in comparison with Hematomyzus elephantis, warthog lice have shorter rostrum. Now, there are 3 suborders of Malophaga: the Amblycera, Ischnosera, and Rhynchophthirina.